Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the portal filter video for TikTok, and otherwise how to get the portal filter for your Snapchat and just make videos with the portal filter overall. Really easy to do. To achieve this filter and get it onto your Snapchat to make the video, you just got to go to the link in the description. Once you go to the link in the description, it'll bring you to this website right here where you're able to quickly add the filter to your Snapchat. So all you want to do is open the Snapchat button and then click on open. And then once you're over to this filter, you can start using it right away. So you just want to go and open it up. So we'll go back on here and click on open again and open. And then we'll add this filter right here to your Snapchat by clicking unlock for 48 hours. It'll automatically unlock it. And then as you see, the filter starts right away. Then you could zoom in obviously as well and move around just by using your thumb. And you can move around the filter however you would like. Really cool. Now to record your video, you just want to click on the record button. And then you could zoom in and out on the filter right here for your portal. Really easy just by dragging your finger. Once you're done, you could stop the video and just click on the save. And then you can exit out Snapchat. And then once you're done that, you can go ahead and go over to TikTok and open up TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you just want to go ahead and click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. And then just click on upload. Then just go to your bottom video that you just recorded on Snapchat. Click select. Then back out and just click on next. Then you go ahead and click on next here as well. And then move along in the video. And then you're able to post this on TikTok as well as on Instagram or any other social media platform. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get this video done on TikTok. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.